Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression, and the quiz contains the basic operation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct result. So in the answer list we have three answers: 140, 132 and 30. Let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's recall that what is the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. Basically, these are the rules which we can follow to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to see the exponent part or power of any number. So step number 2 is you have to solve power of any number in your expression. Step number 3 is basically you have to find out, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Actually, both has the similar precedence. So you can solve division first if it is coming first, or you can solve subtraction. You can solve division first if it is coming first, and you can solve multiplication if it is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. Now, let's solve the given expression. As you can see, our expression contains three brackets. So first of all, we have to solve each bracket one by one. So first, we will solve this bracket, which is 19 minus 6. So 19 minus 6, basically, we will get the answer is 30. And other parts I am writing as it is. And here I am giving the reference 19 minus 6 equals to 30. Now, move forward to solve the step number second bracket, which is 13 plus, multiply and 7 plus 3, which is equals to 10. And this part I am writing as it is. And here I will give the reference like 7 plus 3 equals to 10. Now, I will solve third bracket now. So, in the third bracket, I have 10 divided by 5, which is equals to 2. So, here we will give the reference 10 divided by 5 equals to 2. So now we have completed all brackets and we have solved all brackets. Now step number 2, we have to see the exponent part. So in our expression, we do not have any exponent part. So we will skip this step. Now we will go step number 3 and find out multiplication and division. So when we will go left to right, so we will have this multiplication. So now we will solve this one. So 13 multiplied by 10 equals to 130. And plus 2, I am writing as it is. Now, if we will add these two terms, so we will get answer is 132. So the answer of the given expression is 132. If you see the answer list, answer B is the correct answer. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.